Hey there! In today's fast-paced professional world, mastering industry compliance is more crucial than ever. Whether you're in finance, healthcare, or real estate, the challenges are real, but fear not. I've got some tips and tricks to help you navigate these regulatory waters with confidence. Let's start with the finance industry. Financial regulations are constantly evolving to protect consumers and maintain market integrity. You've got frameworks like the Dodd-Frank Act, Basel III, and GDPR to contend with. Staying on top of these changes can feel overwhelming, but implementing a robust compliance management system can make all the difference. Regular audits, continuous training, and leveraging technology for real-time monitoring are key. And remember, documentation is your best friend. Next up, healthcare. The stakes are incredibly high here, with patient safety and privacy on the line. Regulations like HIPAA in the US and GDPR in Europe set strict standards for data protection. To stay compliant, it's essential to have strong data encryption methods and access controls in place. Regular risk assessments and staff training play a crucial role too. And don't forget about incident response plans. Have a clear protocol for data breaches to mitigate damage swiftly. Now let's talk about real estate. This industry might seem straightforward, but compliance is no less challenging. Fair housing laws, anti-money laundering regulations, and environmental laws are just a few areas to consider. Ensuring transparency in transactions and maintaining accurate records are fundamental. Automated systems can help track compliance activities, reducing the risk of human error. And always stay updated with the latest legal requirements to avoid costly penalties. So, how can you overcome these industry-specific compliance challenges? First and foremost, make compliance a part of your company culture. When everyone understands the importance of following the rules, it becomes second nature. Second, invest in training programs that keep your team informed about the latest regulations and best practices. Third, leverage technology. Compliance management software can streamline many processes, making it easier to stay on track. In summary, while industry-specific compliance can be complex, it's not insurmountable. With the right strategies and tools, you can turn these challenges into opportunities for growth and trust building. So take a proactive approach, stay informed, and prioritize compliance in your daily operations. Thanks for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, stay compliant and keep thriving.